It's got pretty red lips, blonde hair, hazel eyes. My name is Marissa, and I'm about to tell you about my life. Well, today I was told to choose 2 significant things in my life, and the first thing that popped in my mind was my best friend and Zeta.
People, let me tell you about my best friend.
Well, my best friend is Jessica. Her name is Jessica Staggs, and we met my sophomore year at Wyandotte. And we didn't really become best friends until my senior year of high school. Once I graduated, she helped me get a job at the pool. And once we started working together, we became inseparable. We were together night and day, and I could tell her anything. We always went to work together, and on our days off, we were constantly together. We became so close so fast, and she is the best thing that's ever happened to me. I have had a lot of good friends, but she is by far my best friend and has gone over and beyond the expectations. She is the best person, and we are going to be future roommates, and I cannot wait. My second awesome thing in my life is Zeta. Zeta, wasn't for sure at first when I first came to college. It wasn't for sure if I wanted to be one of those sorority girls or whatever everybody puts it out to be. I wasn't sure if I wanted to be that girl. But once I went through recruitment and I met the awesome, amazing girls I did, we became close so fast, and they are amazing girls, and I wouldn't want to spend my college years any other way. Zeta is my life, and they are amazing people. They are my amazing sisters, and I would do anything for them as they would me. They always have my back. They will always be there for me, and they will always be able to confide in me. They are amazing people, and they always know how to pick me up when I'm down. And part of being in Zeta, you get a paddle. This is my paddle, ZTA. It's kind of backwards, but. And then that's me and my big, which ties into my funny story. Well, during recruitment, or during Big Little Week, you get a big and a little. A little is the new person that comes in, and your big is a member that's been there. Well, I chose Tessa because I fell in love with her from the start. And she convinced me that she was not going to be my big, that something was messed up, and so all week I was trying to figure out who my big was. Well, I was with one of the old members, and it was me and a couple new members, and I got a Snapchat she got a Snapchat from Ashley Norman saying that, don't tell her she's going to be my little. And so I was really excited, and I thought Ashley Norman was going to be my little. Well, come to find out, I'm telling all these people that, oh my gosh, Ashley Norman, I found out who my big was. Well, during the Big Little reveal, I turned around expecting Ashley, and I turned around and to the biggest surprise, I got Tessa, which I'm so happy with. She's the best big in the world, and I honestly am so blessed. But it was funny because I was telling everybody that Ashley Norman was going to be my little, and once I turned around, everybody started laughing at me, and I started laughing, and then I started crying. But right now, this is my big, Tessa. This is Tessa. It's me, big, little. Well, now that you've heard about my 2 amazing things and my funny story about Zeta, now you know about me, Marissa Vickers.